Periodic functions. What do you mean by period? First, in school itself we have periods. Is it? That period, one period means it's what? It's a particular time, like 40 minutes or 50 minutes. Okay, I'm talking about period, you're telling interval. Like, think of celebrating Diwali. When Diwali will occur? Yearly once. Okay, 1 year is the time period in between one Diwali and another Diwali. Okay, likewise, the functions also will occur repeatedly after certain interval. How it will occur? See, how do we denote functions first of all? Like f of x will denote. That is called as function. Okay, so f of x is a function. And we say that function f of x is periodic if there exists a real number t such that f of x plus t is, again it happens to be f of x. Meaning, you take the graph of sin x. So it is 0, starts with 0. Then sin 90 degree is how much? It is 1. So it reaches 1, and then sin pi, sin 180 degree, it is 0. So it reaches 0. After that, it again goes to the peak at 3 pi by 2, but in the negative space, minus 1. So this is minus 1, and here again it will reach 0 after 2 pi. So likewise, this graph goes and goes on. Now, if you split this, you may see the same graph is cutted and pasted in the intervals, repeating again and again. Sir, why don't we cut here itself? No, it won't repeat. See, all these are mirror image of this. So this 0 to 2 pi is called as period. Within this interval, the same function is happening again and again and again. Okay, good. That is called as period. Now, how do we find period for this? What are all the general periods? See, these are the functions and these are their periods. You see, sin power nx, cos power nx, that is periods, man. Period of the function. Now, okay, let me work on that. Cos power nx, and after that tan power nx, sec power nx, anything is left, cosec power nx, as well as cot power nx. All the functions has pi as their period if n is even. Okay, pi as their period if n is even, and all of them has 2 pi as their period if n is odd. Okay, oh sorry, in this list tan nx and cot nx will not come. Okay, this tan power nx and cot power nx have a certain another period, it is pi, irrespective of whether it is odd or even. Okay, and the other one, modulus of sin x, modulus of cos x, modulus of sec x, modulus of cosec x, and modulus of tan x, modulus of cot x. Everything, whenever a trigonometric function comes inside modulus, the period of those functions are pi. Okay, and not only trigonometric functions, we have algebraic functions as well. For an algebraic function, what do you mean by algebraic function? This x square plus 2x, that and all. For that, period does not exist. It has no period. Also, one special type of function is that is x minus greatest integer function of x. For that, we have the period as 1. These are some standard periods. Now, using this table, can you answer the following question? First, let me say, you see, what is the period of cos power 4x? We have to look into the first one, cos power nx. When n is even, what is the period? Pi is the period. Period is pi. And then sin power 3x. It is 2 pi. And the other one, cos root x. Cos inside root x. Pi. You said pi, man. You see, it is not periodic. Why? Because no value of t will give the same. If you take x plus t means what you will get? You will get cos of root of x plus t. There is no chance that we are getting this t removed instead of square root. So, we can say it is not periodic. Okay. And the other one, root of cos x. Shall we say the same for this as well? No, it is not. When I say root of cos x, it means that cos x whole power 1 by 2. That comes under this cos power nx. Okay. So, if n is odd fraction, that is another subdivision, odd or fraction, then we may have, here our n is what? Fraction. Then we have the period 2. That is it. So, these are all the formulas and these are all the ways how to work out, but these like easy questions they won't ask. These are all just for example. Okay. Have you written all this? Make it fast. Next we will be starting with properties of periodic function. There exists a real number p. There exists.